Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about an interesting topic, and the topic is how to flip images on Adobe Express, and it will be a complete tutorial for you guys. So here I already landed in Adobe Express, as you can see it. So here I just want to create my design from that first. So I will click onto the photo. Once I click over here, then here I will select an template, or I can create a custom size for my users. So I will click over here to the social media, and from that place I will select the Facebook one, and then I will click on Facebook post. Just browse the template and they will give us the exact size for me. So here I just want to do my rest of work. So I will click to the upload. I already have a couple of images, but I will upload an image here. So here you can see our image already been uploaded. So now I just want to flip this image. So how I can do it? It is really interesting. So here you just need to click over here, or you can go to the media, and here you will find out your images to start your work. So here if you select this image, then you will get couple of options in that place. So you just need to click on the address. You can adjust your image color with using this one, then you can roundness the corner with using this one. If you click to the position, you can align this perfectly, center, middle. So now our main target is to flip the thing perfectly. So here you can see in the position, underneath the position you will find out the flip option. So here you can see we are allowed to flip it wisely. So this is the way where we can easily flip this image without any difficulties. So I hope you understand how easy the process was to flip an image in Adobe Express. If you found out this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will come back to you again with a quick tutorial again. Thanks for watching.